Welcome back to the channel. I'll just get this delivered. You see here is something wrong with the brake. Is something wrong with brake pipes. Is something with the rust. Yeah, it's a lot of different things. 2005 model with light interior. To put this one back. Personally, I like the light interior better than the black. So it's the same as the silver one, but in another color. Yeah, I have to come back with more about this car later. For a moment, it's just putting it under the roof here and garage, and you see, looks like the front light is much better on this one. I had to polish up the light on the other one and see if I change bulb and things. Here can at least looks more shiny. This car gone 220,000 kilometers, the other one. The silver one I use, I've driven 306,000 kilometers. But this one I got it as a part car, not EU MOT controlled, haven't gone through the control. The other one haven't gone through it when I bought it either. I fixed it. This one, yeah, it's the same thing. It's brakes, brake pipes, things like that. I think this one is maybe even easier to fix than the other one, and I got this as part car, as I was saying, for a very, very good price, so I just bought it. I can fix it up, I can have it, no problem. Yeah, please come back. I have 13 videos about the RX400 now on the other one, and it's going to be some more things here, so it's going to be many videos about those cars. And of course I have a lot of cars. This is going to be video what, 760 or something. So please come back, please start following the channel. Thank you.